Okay, I just made these muffins here. Flavcity protein. I used the peanut butter flavor. They smell heavenly. I can smell that peanut butter. Mmm. They taste pretty good. They're made with the protein and Quaker's oats. And they're good. They're really good. I feel like I'm cheating. Let me show you how I made them. Some Flavcity protein muffins. And these are the things I'm going to be using. All right, so I done took 3 eggs and scrambled them. I'm going to add some vanilla extract. And then I'm going to add about a half a teaspoon of baking powder. Now I'm added about 3/4 cup of yogurt. And then I'm just going to blend this really well. And then I'll add 1.25 cups of some milk and get this all blended well, and then I'll add my dry ingredients. So I changed the recipe some. I added 1 cup of the old-fashioned oats, and since we don't really add any sugar other than the protein powder, I added 1 cup of maple brown sugar, and now I'm going to add 2 of these chocolate peanut butter proteins. Now I'm just going to stir, and then I'm going to fill the lined cupcake pan. Now don't forget, you can add the chips if you want to or not. I'm going to mix mine. Since I use the chocolate peanut butter protein, I'm going to use... Alright, so I've put the chips in there. And I had some extra, so I made a little loaf pan because I didn't want to do a whole nother one of these because I didn't have enough for 12. And now we're going to put it in the oven. Alright, so far they're looking good. Maybe a little bit longer. Alright, I've taken them out. Oh, God, they look so good. Smells good, too.